Yes, some big news coming in. New Zealand government cites security threat, decides to abandon Pakistan tour. New Zealand cricket team in Pakistan will depart soon. It was New Zealand's first cricket tour in 18 years. Remember, the team is already in Pakistan, and due to security threat, it appears that New Zealand has now called off the Pakistan's cricket tour. They are now going to be leaving back to their home country. Now, this decision was taken only because of security reasons. Here, the New Zealand cricket team, who's currently in Pakistan, will be departing from the country back to their homeland. Let me cut across to Rahul Rawat, joining us live for more on that. Rahul, 18 years later, New Zealand was all geared up to be in Pakistan. They're currently in Pakistan. They were set to be part of the Pakistan cricket tour, and now they've called that off due to security reasons, security threat concerns. Do take us through exactly the reason that the team has cited on returning back home.
Well, that's right, Nabila. In fact, as we speak, at this point in time, the match should have been played. But both the teams, they did not step out of their hotel rooms because the New Zealand cricket team, they received a security alert from the government agencies back home in New Zealand. And such was the level, they were so threatened, or they were so afraid to step out that even Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan spoke to his counterpart in New Zealand. Even that could not allay fears. 2009, everybody remembers how the Sri Lankan team was attacked while during their convoy was attacked in 2009 in Pakistan. Since then, Pakistan has been living in an isolation as far as cricket is concerned. Nobody wanted to travel to Pakistan. Lately, a few low-profile tours did happen, but this was seen as a major change. But the change in the regime just across the border in Afghanistan has done a lot. Perhaps worse for Pakistan and for the Pakistan cricket as well, because New Zealand, a high-profile team, goes to Pakistan for a lengthy tour, 5 T20 internationals and 3 ODIs that should have started today itself, but that did not happen. So this could further damage Pakistan's image as far as cricket is concerned. For such a long time, they could not host matches. Dubai, UAE used to be their home, and they were really looking forward to this particular series at home because this could have paved the way for other tours to follow. But security has always been a concern in Pakistan, and imagine the level of the alert or the advisories that the cricket team would have received because the match was supposed to happen today in Rawalpindi, but the players did not step out, and the decision was taken unilaterally by the New Zealand Cricket Board, of course in consultation with their government, because the Pakistan Cricket Board, which is headed, you can say that the Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan, is the patron in of the board. Ramiz Raja, he had appointed Ramiz Raja as its new chairman just a few days ago, and they were all eagerly waiting for this particular tour. They had made all the security arrangements. In fact, Nabila, the press statement that PCB has issued says that Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan spoke to his counterpart and told her that they have the best intelligence agencies and there were no security threat. But despite all those assurances, New Zealand has decided that they are actually going back.
Well, this is a big blow to the Pakistan Cricket Board and the reputation to the country itself. Undoubtedly here, New Zealand, one of the prestigious cricket teams in the world, who was in Pakistan to be part of the Pakistan's cricket tour, have now abandoned the tour, wanting to go back because their country have given them a security alert. In fact, a security threat concern has been cited as the reason here as to why that they've decided to abandon the Pakistan tour. The New Zealand cricket team, who's currently in Pakistan, will be departing soon back to their homeland, back to New Zealand. We understand Rahul Rawat there saying that the Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has assured the New Zealand leadership there that this is not true, this is false information, it's all secure and safe, but nonetheless, New Zealand now deciding to abandon the Pakistan's cricket tour. Let me quickly cut across to Shiv Arur joining us live from the newsroom. Shiv, a big blow to the Pakistan's cricket tour, an image to the country itself. It's quite a disappointment with New Zealand now pulling back, abandoning the Pakistan's cricket tour after 18 years that it was all excited to participate.
Global embarrassment for Pakistan. There's no other way to put it, Nabila, because this is a situation where Pakistan couldn't be seen to guarantee the safety of a team, and the New Zealand team obviously has good reason to feel this way. Remember, the Sri Lankan team was notoriously attacked by terrorists back in 2009 as well. Ever since that time, we've seen many different cricket teams have second thoughts about actually visiting Pakistan, because apart from it having a terror problem within, this is a country that actually sponsors many of these terror groups that actually have attacked outsiders, whether it is school children, whether it is visiting cricket teams, whether it is visitors from the outside. The Pakistani state simply cannot guarantee the safety of visitors into their country, even protected visitors like a cricket team from New Zealand. So I think the New Zealand team has exercised its own due diligence. It has worked with its own agencies to figure that the situation is deteriorating in Pakistan, thanks in part to Afghanistan and the Taliban taking over there, but also with everything that's been happening in Pakistan at any point of time. A string of terror attacks, blasts, attacks on civilians. The fact that outsiders have always been vulnerable in Pakistan is clearly one of the reasons that it's been cited. Probably a fresh piece of intelligence, and the New Zealand team clearly not wanting to take any chances. And the very fact that a cricket team from the outside has been attacked before, clearly weighs in no small way in this decision.
Absolutely, Shiv. This is global embarrassment to Pakistan. We're looking at several teams already who are geared up to be part of this Pakistan's cricket tour. New Zealand now being the first to pull out, citing security concerns despite assurances coming in from Imran Khan. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. India Today continues to track this information coming in. New Zealand now decides to completely call off its Pakistan's cricket tour as they fear security threat.